talk about Ipca Labs. This stock has been falling, and this is coming in after the announcement of the acquisition of Unichem, which everyone was eyeing out for, and seems like the street is not very happy with it. Srishti, give us more details on it. Why is the street not so happy? This is the third consecutive day of fall that we've seen coming in for the stock. As of now, also the stock is down 7%. Srishti.
Well, yes, absolutely. As we know that the Ipca lab is under pressure, and that's just after the company announced the deal with Unichem Labs for this acquisition. The sole point that the analysts are highlighting that this is being done at an expensive valuation because the acquisition of Unichem with this, Ipca is looking to re-enter the US markets, and the analysts are not very bullish on this particular plan. What they highlight is that going ahead, the outlook on the US generic business is at risk. There's increased competition in the oral solids US generic market, as well as there has been no US FDA inspections at the Unichem site since February 2020. So the outlook of the US business is still not very clear, as well as the valuations, which is at 2.5 times EV by sales, is they are finding expensive. The management actually tried to address the concerns of the analyst in a con call yesterday, where they have given aggressive guidance going ahead for the Unichem business. They have set a target to reach an EBITDA of 300 crores in the next 10 years, with a top line of 1700 to 1800 crores to be achieved in the next 2 years, is what the company has highlighted. But other than that, they are also looking for some monetization plans. When asked that why only Unichem Labs is what the company has acquired, then they have given three broad points. Firstly is what they highlight is Unichem is holding 2500 to 3000 crores of asset, in which they are looking to monetize Unichem's Jogeshwari, that is Mumbai's Jogeshwari property. And lastly, there are some dues from GST that are logged in GST for Unichem, that is amounting to 275 crores, and Ipca Labs is also looking to get that amount back. So all of these points have been highlighted by the management, but no cheer for the stock price, and Motilal Oswal has actually downgraded the stock to a neutral rating from a buy earlier and slashed the price to 760 rupees from 940 rupees earlier. So all of these points are playing in for Ipca Labs. But with this, let's also listen in to what the management had to say.
A lot of companies are facing headwind in US, and Unichem has fantastic track record on regulatory compliances in past. And looking at that and looking into the current business environment, and it appears that we should be able to comfortably achieve almost around 15 to 17% kind of growth in next 3 years very comfortably. They also have significant capacities which are available for executions and all. And Unichem has, I do agree that Unichem has higher overheads. We will have to look into and more critically on those, and also critically see that how can we optimize the operations, and cost optimizations can be done. As far as their API facilities are concerned, I think as far as their formulation facilities are concerned, they are excellent facilities are there. As far as API facilities are concerned, their scales are smaller today, and the operating costs are higher because of lower scales and all.
Well, that was the management at Ipca Labs in their conference call post acquisition of 33% stake in Unichem.